Dear students, Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This is Arfat Mujib from FEI Higher Secondary Institute. Today I am again with chapter number 3. Chapter is Diversity in Living Organisms. It is ninth biology. In this, I will discuss the following topics today: Thylophyta and Bryophyta. And Thylophyta, in the previous lecture, I told you about the classification of kingdom Plantae. We can classify kingdom Plantae on the basis of various pointers into 5 divisions. And these are the first 2 divisions. Division first is Thylophyta and division second is Bryophyta. What are the features of Thylophyta as per the classification is concerned? As the today is I am going to discuss in this as division. It comes in division first about the थैलोफाइटा. थैलोफाइटा में हम क्या कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स देखते हैं? इनकी जो बॉडी है, दे हैव, नाम से पता चलता है, इनके नाम से थैलस, दे हैव थैलस बॉडी. व्हाट आर द थैलस बॉडी? थैलस बॉडी इज अनडिफरेंशिएटेड बॉडी. Undifferentiated body. That means that plants can be differentiated into root, stem, branches, leaves, fruit, bud, but we can't see at all the differentiated body parts in Thylophyta. As the name represent, as the name refers, thalo here means the thallus body. Thallus body means undifferentiated body, and phyta here refers to plants. These are those plants which have thallus body, undifferentiated body, and we can't differentiate them into a partus root, which is shoot, which is stem part. They look like the plant-like features they have, and therefore we place them into the kingdom Plantae. They have various features which resembles much more with the kingdom Plantae. Therefore we placed Thylophyta in the kingdom Plantae. It represents division first in the classification of kingdom Plantae. Number one, the point I discussed in this, they have a thallus body. What is a thallus body? Undifferentiated body. That means it is a thallus like. We can't differentiate the body structure properly. Number second, these are I am going to discuss. These are simpler. These are simpler and primitive. प्रिमिटिव होता है बहुत पुराने. primitive type of, these are simple and a primitive type of plants. क्या है इनमें, क्या देखते हैं? These are Thylophyta. These are simpler in structures, simpler plants they are called, and primitive. First, the origin as per the evolution is concerned, first origin of plants takes place by the Thylophyta. And number third in this, all algae or includes, all algae jitne bhi, all algae include in Thylophyta. Thylophyta में क्या है? हम इसमें सारे जितने भी एल्गे आते हैं, ग्रीन एल्गे, red algae, brown type of algae, they have various forms, and all the algae we study in that division first. सारे algae को हम study करते हैं Thylophyta में. Thylophyta में सारे की सारे algae आते हैं in the Thylophyta. And then we move ahead in this. Fourth one point is here, presence of chlorophyll. Presence of, मैंने बताया ना प्लांट लाइक फीचर्स इनमें होते हैं. प्रेजेंस ऑफ क्लोरोफिल इन देयर शाबाश बॉडीज. अगर इनमें थैलस लाइक बॉडी होता है, हमने देखा उनमें क्या होता है, ए ग्रीन टाइप ऑफ पिगमेंट. ऐसे तो बहुत सारे पिगमेंट्स पाए जाते हैं in the thallophyta. I will name on the basis of those pigments we classify the thallophyta. We classify the various algae into separate groups. Here the presence of chlorophyll in their body, then they have autotrophic mode of nutrition. Autotrophic nutrition, that means then they have, obviously there is the photosynthesis process. Photosynthesis, with their help they can synthesize their own food material. This is another feature of the thallophyta. Then fifth one I will tell you about them, that their cells और their cells जो है their cell wall, हम कहेंगे उनका जो cell wall होता है, their cell wall is composed of cellulose. Plant जैसे feature यहाँ पे again a plant like feature in them is that they have the presence of cellulose. The cell wall is made up of the cellulose. और जो वो खाना तैयार करते हैं, यहाँ छठा पॉइंट में लिखूंगा यहाँ पे, फूड सिंथेसाइजर, जो इनमें खाना बनता है, वो स्टोर्ड रहता है. फूड सिंथेसाइजर स्टोर्ड इन स्टार्च, प्लांट जैसे फीचर. स्टार्च फॉर्म में ये अपना जो सिंथेसाइज्ड फूड है वो स्टोर करते हैं, वो स्टोर रखते हैं स्टार्च फॉर्म में. ये thallophyta. All algae, once again I tell you that all algae are included in thallophyta. Then we move ahead here in this. मैंने बताया अभी, on the basis of various pigments we can classify the algae if all algae include in this thallophyta. That means on the basis of it is the seventh point I mentioned here, on the basis of chlorophyll. I will say on the basis of type of chlorophyll in their bodies, we classify them into groups. Some are known as the green algae. Green, मैंने बताया सारे algae इसमें green algae, they are known as the chlorophyta. They are also known as the chlorophyta. Another is the red algae. They are known as the rhodophyta. They have a red type of pigment in their bodies. Red purple type of pigment. Phycoerythrin like pigment is present in their bodies. Rhodophyta इनको कहते हैं. And third is the brown algae. They are known as the Phaeophyta. इनको हम इस तरह क्लासिफाई कर सकते हैं on the basis of the chlorophyll. If includes all algae included in the thallophyta, we then classify further algae into various groups: chlorophyta, green algae; rhodophyta, red algae; and phaeophyta, that is the brown algae. They grows in several meters, 100 meters in size. in the sea water. In the sea water, they grow to the length of the 100 meter in sea water. They are known as the calipes. Commonly, they are called calipes. Calipes कहते हैं इनको. ये बहुत सेंटीमीटर और मीटर में ये ग्रो होते हैं in the ocean water, and hence they are generally named as calipes. Then we will move ahead, that they look like plants. Actually they don't have plants. इनके जो अगर हम एल्गी की बात हम करेंगे, एल्गी की बात हम कर लेंगे, इनमें रूट होता है बट मॉडिफाइड फॉर्म होता है. मॉडिफाइड फॉर्म होता है. हम उसको कहते हैं होल्ड फास्ट, कॉल्ड एज होल्ड फास्ट. ये होल्ड फास्ट किसके साथ होता है? इट हेल्प्स इट दिस होल्ड फास्ट इज look like the roots but are not roots, or the modified form of root named as the hold fast. It hold it with the help of the substratum, with the material, so that it can be well in position. They have a stem. इनमें stem होता है but modified form, that resembles with the actual stem like structure होता है, but modified form of stem. That stem is known as step. STIP, step. Modified stem. इसके modified stem को नाम पड़ा step. इसके modified root को नाम पड़ा hold fast. And they have also their leaves. But the leaves are modified form and known as the laminaria. They are the blade type, not actual. They have the blade type leaves, blade type. They are the blade type, blade form. The leaves they have known as, their modified form of leaves are known as the laminaria. That means the algae जो है, they look like, they resemble with the plants but have roots, not true roots, have leaves but not true leaves. Leaves contain the chlorophyll, help us in the photosynthesis. और हमने देखा जो thallophyta जो है, they have aquatic mode of life. And primitive plants, and most primitive plants as per the evolution is concerned, most primitive plants, they have, I think, 8th part, aquatic mode of life. They have aquatic mode of life, and aquatic, they survival in the water, in the water bodies में survival होते हैं. The aquatic, कुछ क्या होते हैं? Some are the terrestrial, aquatic, some are the terrestrial in form. तो वो सर्वाइवल करते हैं इन द मॉइस्ट, वहां पे मॉइस्ट एरिया जहां पे वाटर की कंटेंट ज्यादा होता है, मॉइस्ट एरिया, टेरेस्ट्रियल इन फॉर्म. तो इनका जो हैबिटेट है, फर्स्ट वन इज aquatic mode of life, ज़्यादातर इनका aquatic mode of life, and sometimes also some species of the thallophyta survive in the moist soil. I named them that. It is then here is the, if we talk about their 9th point is the reproduction. If we talk about the reproduction, they reproduce, yes, asexual mode of reproduction. Also they have sexual mode of reproduction. asexual mode of reproduction में कैसे reproduce करते हैं? asexual reproduction में how they reproduce, reproduction में how they reproduce by the spore formation. अगर हम देखेंगे इसमें स्पोर्स बनते हैं in the body parts, स्पोर्स बनते हैं. Then in the they have the sporogonia. स्पोरोगोनिया होता है, ये पार्ट जहाँ पे स्पोर फॉर्मेशन होते हैं. विद द हेल्प ऑफ द स्पोर फॉर्मेशन they reproduce asexually, but also sometimes they reproduce sexually. they also they also reproduce. They have also the sexual reproduction. They have their separate. They have their separate gametic organs. हम कहेंगे organs. They have the gametophyte. Gametophyte. They have gametophyte. Also, they have the sporophyte. They have gametophyte, they have sporophyte. With the help of they give the formation of gamete cells. With the help they shows the asexual type of reproduction. They have separate, their body can be differentiated into the gametophyte and sporophyte. That means helps in the they show the differentiation as per the sexual reproduction is concerned and reproduce sexually. Then if we talk about the further we go the proceed and further we इसमें हम आगे जाएंगे. कुछ एग्जांपल्स में मेंशन कर लूंगा इन मेथैलोफाइट्स में एग्जांपल्स. सम एग्जांपल मैंने बताया कि all algae include in this. All algae include in thallophyta. That is I named the green algae. I call them green algae. जिनको मैंने अभी बताया कि chlorophyta. I will name some the in this algae. I have some names here. Cladophora. Cladophora is example. Ulothrix. Then is the another Spirogyra. The Ulva, Volvox, Chlamydomonas. Here are the examples which I can mention here also, etc. or other example that Acetabularia, etc. or the examples when they have the green pigments in their body. Green pigments, they are photosynthetic green pigments, and then they are the photosynthetic help in the photo with the manufacture. There are the few examples here, few examples included. Now is the we will move ahead. It is all about the thallophytes and various examples included in the thallophyta. Various species include in this. Now I will talk about then here the red algae. Second red algae इसमें आते वो green algae से पहले थे red algae. Red algae में यहाँ पे है Batra example है Polysiphonia. Then is the Gelidium. इससे बनता है we can prepare. इससे बनता है अगर solution जो laboratory research work में इस्तेमाल होता है. अगर medium अगर solution बनता है इससे. अगर solution is prepared by this Propyrus. Other example है. I can include few examples in the red algae, that the Batra, Polysiphonia, Gelidium. इससे तैयार किया जाता है. इकोनॉमिक इम्पोर्टेंस है. कल्चर जो टिश्यू कल्चर में हम मीडियम न्यूट्रेंट मीडियम तैयार करते हैं अगर सॉल्यूशन का, वो इसी से प्रिपेयर होता है रेड एल्गे के. And Propyrus, they are the few examples included in the red algae. They are known as the Rhodophyta. They have the pigment erythrocyanin pigment. They have body in their bodies, and phycoerythrin भी है. फाइकोएरिथ्रिन लाइक पिगमेंट्स होते हैं, ये दोनों पिगमेंट्स है। These pigments are found in the bodies of the red algae which gives the red coloration, and these red algae are found in the shallow water bodies and gives the red coloration to the water surface, as they are the totally red in color, presence of these pigments in their bodies, and are photosynthetic as well. Photosynthetic behave. And we will move further here in this. The third here is the, then here is the example of the another, we can say brown algae. ब्राउन एल्गे में क्या होता है, इनको जनरली कहते हैं क्लिप्स। ये सी वाटर में डेवलप होता है। they are biggest in size. Their length comes in 100 meters centimeter, 100 meters in size. Brown algae, Phaeophyta, is present in their, they are also known as Phaeophyta brown algae. If we have few examples are Fucus, Fucus, Fucus is the example here. Another example is in this is the Laminaria. Laminaria is the another example. Third is the Sargassum. This is the Sargassum. These are the few examples as I include in the brown algae. Dear students, it is all about the Thallophyta division. First, all algae included in this division Thallophyta. Now is the division second here. Division second में हम डिस्कस कर लेंगे Bryophyta. They place in, this is the division second place in the classification of kingdom plant. इनको हम कहते हैं amphibian plants. हमने देखा है some species of these are present in water bodies, totally aquatic. Some of them हमने ये देखा इनका जो मोड ऑफ हैबिटेट इस कदर रहता है, they place both in water as well as in the moist soil. अगर पानी जो डिचेस होते हैं, पॉन्ड्स, लेक्स, स्ट्रीम्स कभी कभार खुश्क होंगे, पानी कम होगा, फिर भी इनकी सर्वाइवल पॉसिबल होता है। तो द मॉइस्ट सॉइल में भी ये डेवलप होते हैं, एंड इन द वाटर लॉजिंग वाटर बॉडीज में भी सर्वाइवल होता है। अगर वो वाटर बॉडीज पानी से भरा हुआ होता है फिर भी ये वहाँ सर्वाइवल होते हैं, या अगर वहाँ पानी कम हो या बिल्कुल पानी ना हो फिर भी इनकी सर्वाइवल वहाँ पॉसिबल है। जिस तरह एक फ्रॉग एम्फीबियन, toads amphibians है, they survival in the on the surface of land, in the water, in the same way, therefore they are known as the amphibian plants. Bryophyta जो है examples इसमें include है, examples आपको mosses, आपने देखा होगा moist area पे damp shady areas में इनकी ग्रोथ होती है। वो ग्रीन वेलवेट टाइप फॉर्म में होता है, ग्रीन मॉइस्ट ग्रीन फॉर्म में होता है। mosses and we I can say liverworts, WORTS, liverworts. They are the example include in the Bryophyta जो है इनमें पिगमेंट पाया जाता है, इन देयर बॉडीज ग्रीन पिगमेंट पाया जाता है, ग्रीन पिगमेंट पाया जाता है, प्लांट जैसे फ्यूचर है। देन दे शोज द फोटोसिंथेसिस, और हमने देखा है कि ये जो ब्रायोफाइटा जो है देयर बॉडी कैन बी डिफरेंशिएटेड, जो बॉडी स्ट्रक्चर जो होता है can be differentiated into the gametophyte, and it is the female female in structure, and then is the sporophyte. Sporophyte, that means male in structure, act as male structure. Male structure इसमें होता है. Their body structure can be differentiated into the gametophyte and the sporophyte, and we can say in them they have undifferentiated body. इनमें हम देखेंगे ये दूसरा तीसरा आएगा इनमें undifferentiated body structure. Still they have undifferentiated, there is still undifferentiated body structure. They have still undifferentiated body structure. They have root but not true roots. They have stem but not true stem. They have fruit but not true fruit. They have leaves बट नॉट ट्रू लीव्स. इनमें ऐसे लगता है इनमें रूट है, इनमें शूट है, इनमें फ्रूट है, इनमें लीव्स होते हैं. दे लुक लाइक दैट, दे रिजेंबल विद द प्लांट बॉडीज. एक्चुअली दे आर नॉट ट्रू लीव, दे आर नॉट ट्रू फ्रूट. इसका जो अभी मैं इसमें बताऊंगा, इसमें जो रूट है वो रूट जो है मॉडिफाइड फॉर्म है, राइजोइड है. दैट बियर, उसमें क्या निकल आते हैं शॉर्ट रूट हेयर्स और शॉर्ट रूट हेयर्स निकल आते हैं. इसके रूट को कहते हैं राइजोइड. ये अंडरग्राउंड पार्ट होता है इसका, अंडरग्राउंड. वो इन ब्रायोफाइटस में जो रूट्स होते हैं दे आर नोन एज रूट होता है जो राइजोइड, एंड दोज राइजोइड bear simple root hairs and is underground and hold up, keep the plant in place, keep itself in place because of the rhizoid and underground part. Here if they have leaves, they have small tiny leaves in there. They are also the modified in form, modified leaves, and they have stem like उसको हम कहते हैं स्टॉल्क. इसके स्टेम को हम कहते हैं स्टॉल्क. वो हमें स्टेम लाइक दिखता है, इरेक्ट अपराइट वर्टिकली प्लांट जैसे, मगर हम उसको स्टेम नहीं कहेंगे. These no still known as the stalk, and they have the fruit at the tip. fruit होता है इनमें, उन fruit उसको हम कहते हैं capsule. So therefore this fruit is the still also the model, but there is still undifferentiated body form in the bryophytes. If we talk about the thallophyta and bryophyta, they don't have the true vascular system, true vascular tissues इनमें नहीं होते हैं जो conduct करते हैं water minerals up and down of the plants. Lack of true vascular tissues. इनमें vascular tissue, they are simpler in structure. It is fourth one, simpler, hence they are simpler in structure. इनका structure जो होता है simpler in structure, simpler they look like the plants. And also I told you about them. If we talk about the reproduction, mode of reproduction in them, they reproduce again has sexual mode of reproduction, also a sexual mode of reproduction की बात हम कर लेंगे. They also reproduce asexual mode of reproduction, शाबाश, and sexual mode of reproduction. Asexual mode of reproduction में क्या, again they have the spore formation. There is spore formation. They have the sporophyte, which give the formation of the spores, and they हम कहेंगे also they give the formation of spore. With the help of the spore formation they reproduce asexually. Also I can say how they reproduce the sexual. They have also a sexual reproduction. sexual reproduction by they have the gametophyte. Gametophyte gives the formation of शाबाश मेल गैमीट बनाते, जिस तरह एनिमल्स में देखा जाता है, एंजियोस्पर्म्स में देखा जाता है, प्लांट हायर प्लांट में, जिम्नोस्पर्म्स में, उनमें सेपरेट मेल गैमीट फीमेल गैमीट जो बनते हैं, इनमें फीमेल गैमीट, इनमें क्या होता है फिर आखिरकार बेटा, देयर इज द फ्यूजन. When there is a fusion, there is the zygote formation. When there is zygote formation, what can there possibly be? When there is the meeting of male gamete and female gamete, ये इनके gametophyte में बनता है, and they give the formation of the zygote embryo develop होता है into the new individual later on, new individual. There is a formation of new spores here, new spores, and embryo in the form of new spores, and the new spores can later on develop into the shabash new individual. New individuals can be developed. Again, they resemble with the origin plant body. Yes, it is a sexual mode of reproduction in the bryophyta. Shady areas, they survive in the shady moist area. You might have seen these bryophyta. If we talk about the examples, include in them examples, कौन से आते हैं examples. You talk about the funaria आता है इसमें example. Funaria, इसी को कहते हैं mosses. Commonly they are known as mosses, and it is the Racesia. This is the Racesia. That Marchantia. It is known commonly as the liverwort. Commonly it is known as liverworts. Marchantia, Racesia, Funaria. These are the few examples. और भी है example include in the bryophyta. Common, this is known as the common moss. This is also known as the common mosses. Common mosses. देखिए यहाँ पे अगर आप funaria का structure देखोगे, यहाँ देखिए यहाँ they have this leaf-like structure. I will show the example here. The funaria का example दिखाता हूँ. They have a leaf-like structure, and they have the here the stem. They have here the capsule here. Here has the capsule form. मैंने भी बताया. Fruit-like bodies. This is as this. They have the, and here deep inside there is the tuft of adventitious roots-like structure. Rhizoid से निकलता है यहाँ पे. This is the, what is here the, this is the rhizoid. Here the root, it is with the root here, simple root here, substratum के साथ है. What is this here? Leaf-like structure, green. They are green in color. They are the name here is the gametophyte. Here it is all the gametophyte here. Gametophyte. Here what is this here? We can name it as a, अभी मैंने बताया stalk. This part is known as the stalk, which we supported the capsule here. The capsule. What is this all part? The capsule and stalk, and this whole part is known as this whole part. I will erase by this here. यहाँ से मैं इरेज कर लूँगा इसको. इस चीज़ को क्या कहते हैं हम? यहाँ से इस चीज़ को क्या कहते हैं हम? यहाँ से जो ये चीज़ है, ये चीज़ जो इतना है इसका, it is known as the sporophyte. This is known as the sporophyte. ये क्या है? It is known as the funaria. It is a funaria, common mosses. It is the example of the, it is considered as the, here the capsule spore formation takes place. The stalk which supports this capsule. This is the green light. It has they are gametophytes का जो है green like small tiny leaves or bunch in form. They are the green in color photosynthetic है. But this is, it is very common. most of आपने देखा भी होगा on the walls on the surface of the moist rock, moist soil, in the dump and dummy places में आपने इन इसको देखा होगा. लेबर वॉट अगर हम देखेंगे मर्चेंटिया का थोड़ा बहुत एग्जांपल दे देंगे. यहाँ हमारे पास टाइम भी देखना होता है. यहाँ देखो मर्चेंटिया का एग्जांपल दे. यहाँ पे हम ऐसे इसका एग्जांपल रहता है. और इसमें क्या होता है, इसमें जो होता है स्पोरोफाइट होता है अलग सा. दूसरा इसमें होता है इस तरह का फॉर्म. इसके दो तरह के होता है. देखो यहाँ से ये जो होता है दे हैव अ थैलस लीव्स मॉडिफाइड लीव्स होती हैं ये थैलस लीव्स. दे हैव अ थैलस लीव्स हियर. थैलस लीव्स I will show it here. This is the example of the Marchantia. Here they have a settle. They develop on these. They develop on the leaf surface. What is this? Marchantia, and commonly it is known as the. आपने देखा होगा मेरे मोबाइल में भी इसके बहुत सारे पिक्स है. व्हेनेवर यू डम्पी शेडी एरियाज में आप इस चीज़ को देखोगे. यहाँ पे देखो ये दोनों अलग अलग है. स्पोरोफाइट है. स्पोरोफाइट यहाँ पे ये अलग इसका सेपरेट होता है. गेमेटोफाइट it is the thallus leaf like structure contain the pigment. Photosynthetic in pigment support this reproductive. These are what are these? These are the reproductive parts of this example. Yes, it is the example first. This is the example first, example second. This example here. It is, dear student, I hope you understand about the division first Thallophyta and Bryophyta, division second in the classification of kingdom Plantae. Tomorrow we will proceed this classification. Then comes the next division Pteridophyta. Then after the Gymnosperms and Angiosperms, collectively they are known as the spermophytes. Thank you very much.